Good evening or good morning, rather. It is actually December 14th, 12:58 a.m. It's been such a long day, guys, but thank you so much for joining and choosing to watch my video today. So, this week, December 11th through the 15th, this trading week, I have been identifying UCAD, GU, and a little bit of EU. Um, UCAD, my idea was for it to sell this week, and lo and behold, it surely did. So, price, we're on the 5 minute. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so we can see what's going on. This blue order block right here, 15-minute order block, I identified in the markets Monday, and we still have it again here. And then price came down, as we did say. I was hoping for it to come to this black line that showed an old high, a previous PD array on a higher time frame. I wanted price to come all the way up here and then sell, but lo and behold, news occurred at 2 p.m. This afternoon, and price did exactly what it needed to do. It came to this orange line, which is Sunday's opening price. It came there around 7 o'clock, which is outside of my trading time, and then it sold. And then it came again at 10:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and sold to this breaker, um, which I identified from last night, yesterday, Tuesday. I'm sorry, yes, Tuesday the 13th, Tuesday the 12th, and then price decided to bounce around here again. So there could have been two entries. There could have been a buy side into opening price during 9 a.m. when price open, or 9:30, according to if you're an options trader, if you just trade New York in general. Most people do like to wait until the 9:30 opening bell, get in for where this OB um, broke previous market structure, on a 3 minute, where price broke market structure here, then came back into that breaker and then bought. That was a potential buy that would have given us 30 pips. Or you could have waited till red folder news that did occur at 2 o'clock came here. We got a breaker. There's two signature prices. Price will either provide a failure swing before it decides to sell and buy, or have some type of major price move, or there will be a breaker. So the breaker or failure swing. Here we have a breaker, and price literally did come back and it broke. And actually, this OB on the 15-minute is served as the breaker moving forward. So I'll just delete all of these old things, old markers, and price here is literally the breaker on a 3 minute. It came to this 3 minute after price jumped down, and then it continued to sell. So if we would have caught this from opening price, after signature, price had already showed us that there was a breaker that was going to occur, because price literally did break and created one and sold all the way down into around 3 o'clock. 94 pips on one move. Beautiful sell. And I told you all that it would sell. All right, let's keep moving. GU, this is what my moneymaker was for the day. So I like to trade on Wednesdays and Thursdays, because I can pretty much, I'll say 80% of the time, I can guarantee that I'm going to get my midweek reversal on a Wednesday or a Thursday. Here for GU, my not prediction, but my reaction to the market for my overall weekly analysis was that price would buy. I did want price to come a little bit further down, but it gave me just what I needed, coming in this green fair value gap, which is represented by the 4 hour chart. Price came down. It was rated again, which means that it took out this previous low. Price rated, right at around that 2 o'clock time as well. And then it bought up 30, well, it bought up 120 pips, but I was only able to catch 30 pips today, 25 pips. 30 pips was my goal, but after slippage, 25 pips. And then I was out the market because my day was very, very hectic. So I made a 3% increase on my overall account. My goal is at least 7% every week. So the fact that I didn't take any losses just by being disciplined and just waiting for this move, really annoyed by not being able to take the rest of this move. Because price, I could have really took it to this next low. I mean, this next high. It would have got 83 pips, but I'll take what I can get with that 24 pip increase. Took that and I was done for the day. All right, so tomorrow or today, excuse me, being Thursday, I am looking for price to continue to go ahead and buy. It looks like it will not come down to these levels of liquidity. Price has already got what it needed to engineer itself up. Liquidity was already taken from this previous low, this previous low, this previous low. Once again, this previous low, this previous low, and this previous low. I did identify these purple lines, which were black yesterday, and that were places in which I wanted price to come down to identify liquidity being taken out for that buy. And we are on our way. So I'm looking for continuous buys tomorrow. Yeah, we're doing good, doing good. So thank you all so much for tuning in. That is going to be all that I have for today, and I'll see you all tomorrow.